Currently in our area, 59 degrees with thunderstorms in the area. This afternoon, cloudy with showers, thunder possible, high 58, chance of rain 60%. Tonight, rain, low 49, winds southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Friday, light rain in the morning, high 53, winds west at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Welcome back to Weather Center Live, and you're looking at a pretty gloomy New York City. We're seeing temperatures right in the 60s, getting closer to the 70s, but the thing is,
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
New York into next week. Rain starts tomorrow.